It's Molly's 30th birthday.
Okay, well don't tell, you don't need to tell them that, Vicky.
Happy birthday, Molly! For 30,
flirty,
and thriving. That was a kind of bing. We're gonna crack it. Siaosi. Thank you. Whoa. Dude. Wee Molly! It's over there! Look how beautiful that is, guys. I'm tired. Aussie's gone. Look how beautiful that is. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys?
Well, you have to get down there.
It's too hot. Wow. It's Molly's birthday today. I've been sitting here with her 5 minutes, didn't even realise.
Yeah, that's how loyal this girl is.
It's Molly's 30th birthday.
Okay, well don't tell, you don't need to tell them that, Vicky.
Oh my gosh,
but
happy
yes,
birthday,
it is my
Molly.
birthday. And I woke up this morning, I thought, Lord, thank you so much for what you have done for me, for where you have brought me. Yes, I'm not where I want to be, but I definitely can say I'm not where I used to be. And so today, this is the view that we enjoy.
Yes,
so we want to share with you. I'm currently staying at the Sheraton. I thought to treat myself. You know, when you work so hard, you need to appreciate what you have and what you do. And so for this morning, we are about to go, what is this called? Okay, and there's Pure Oceans, and if you guys come here, come to Sheraton, see these men, they will help you out to go and do some activities in the ocean. So I just want to share that, you know, sometimes in life you got to push yourself and be challenged. You know, I came here and I probably would have never walked, what is this called? Walked grass? No, it's called a it is called something. Somebody comment down below and help us out what this is called. This is just such a fabulous view. I don't know why Victoria's standing at the back there, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. And I really wanted to thank God for blessing me for all these years. He's added to my life. And I really want to come out there and challenge you. Now I'm here obviously for family. I am so blessed and I am so grateful for where I am today. And I really want to inspire and encourage those of you, especially my fellow islander family, push yourself. You know, we have so much potential, but it is your mindset, it is you that locks it. It locks the great gift. If you're a singer, if you're good at, you know, doing IT, if you're good at doing music, if you're good at doing, you know, being an athlete, push yourself. What's stopping you? Push yourself, you know? That is where Samoa is going to be known. And I will just say one thing, that if you're Samoan and you have family here, and you don't come back here, or you don't invest in your family here in Samoa, I'm going to tell you that, you know, you cannot change the past, and for whatever happened, or for whatever reason, it may be a legitimate reason why you don't keep in contact with them or whatever, I'm going to encourage you to try and get back in contact with your family and really try and give time to Samoa. Invest in Samoa. Now is the time to invest in Samoa. If you don't know where your family is, try and find out. If you're not a Samoan citizen, find out. If you have or know family that have land here, there is so much about to happen in the political world or in the government of Samoa, and you guys need to get involved. We are the next generation. Your parents have come, they've brought you that far. If you're living if you're living out of Samoa, that is the more reason why you should push yourself.
Look how pretty that view is, honestly.
We haven't tried it out before.
No, I'm scared. The ocean is not my friend.
Are we going to walk up on the grass?
Our names are not Moana, Molly.
Huh?
Our name isn't Moana.
My name is Moana. My name is Molly the Magnificent. Oh, it's so nice.
Happy birthday, Molly!
Do not get me on that side.
Molly's 30, flirty, and thriving. How does it feel to be 30, flirty, and thriving, Molly?
Amazing.
Amazing. Get me
How
out.
that? You better not put that on then.
Oh my god, look how pretty I look. Oh, hello, girl. Oh. Oh, look at my pretty C. With the white blonde bits, black hair. Beauty. You're a beauty, mate. See, you can't.
But that was a good song.
Evan, were you laughing?
I'm laughing more than ever. I don't feel so bad.
Happy birthday, Molly. Molly's birthday breakfast. Oh, iya dia. Selfie suka lah camera dah. And Molly's very particular with her bag.
What?
You're very particular with your bag. I remember when I always used to like touch her. Don't take my bag! It's gonna make me itchy. Ow.
That's a big late to my
Okay, let's all do speeches for Molly.
No, let's go get a
Speech.
Wait, we're not
No. Molly, this is my speech for you. So Molly, I just want to tell you that I love you so much. I appreciate you. And you're one of the best big sisters that I have. Molly's not even listening to my speech. Molly's gonna go get me a banana bread now. Happy birthday, Molly. You can't see it, but it is so nice. Look at that view. Look how pretty these patterns are on the poles. They're so nice. How nice is that? Molly got a mocktail.
Oh my gosh,
Molly shouted us mockies.
on her own birthday.
Oh, see, this one's so nice. I tasted yours, Vicky, and then I was like, I didn't really like this. I'm like, Vicky will like the colada. So I took your one. I took the strawberry one.
Oh, that's right. It's your birthday.
Molly, why didn't
If it was any other day, I would have been like, Molly, give it back.
Oh, that was really nice.
you let Vicky take a shot?
Oh, photo.
Yeah, and then we toast. Yeah, while they're still kind of full.
We're missing Chris though in all these photos.
Cheers!
3, 2, where's Sia? Vicky, tell this side to more Sia, so that cuts your big back out.
What?
There you go. Put it up a little bit. Yeah. So it gets the cut, the back. And cheese!
Cheese!
Happy 30th! Vicky, we should say, have 30th dirty, 30, flirty, and thriving.
Happy 30, flirty, and thriving.
No!
Molly. Oi.
Happy birthday, Molly, for 30, flirty, and thriving. We say it like that.
Alright, we'll do what you want. Happy birthday, Molly, for 30.
Flirty, you're flirty.
I was gonna say 30.
Happy birthday, Molly, for 30.
30
And thriving. She said 30, 30.
Ready? Go.
Happy birthday, Molly, for 30.
Flirty.
And thriving.
That was a guy at Bing. We're gonna crack. La bafa akuse. Molly, get it right. Happy birthday, Molly. 30.
Flirty.
And thriving.
Woo! Woo! Hi, Eben. What are you doing? Molly girl getting your photo shoot. Stop! Little doodle. Stop it, Eben. This is the trouble that we have to go through to get a good photo. Olu stilo. Olu stilo. Look how nice that is. That is so beautiful.
Hey guys, my name is Molly. This is Eben. And we want to say, what do we want to say?
Happy birthday, Molly.
We want to say happy birthday to me. Thank you to all my fans. Thank you to all my haters. Because that's where I am today. I am on the top of you. Yes, you're my footstool. I'd like to thank my mom and my dad. I'd like to thank all of you for loving me. I'd like to thank you to my #1 man. You know who you are. And I'd like to thank
Okay.
I'd like to thank everybody for supporting and loving me. Thank you. Mwah.
Here back at my dad's family. Very, very busy house. So very busy. These are our chefs. Chef Daddy. Eben, get out of the sun. Get in. Get inside. It's sunny. Too sunny. Go, Nanny. How is it too hot? Hey. Look at all this. What's this called, Givy? Oh, yeah, kapisi nga. What's this called? Oh, yeah, kapisi foi nga. What's this one? What's this one called? Pateta. Hello, little boy. Where are y'all going? Hello, little fusty boy. It's a brand new towel. Oh, this is so nice. It's so nice here. It's been such a busy day. Just got back from the shops to go get some ice cream for the thing. There's Aussie boy. There's Sala. The barbecue. Yeah, very nice. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, that looks so good. Very yummy. Breadcrumbs there. There's flies everywhere. Huh? That's the master chef over there. Master chef long water. Fui fui. Got the boys here. Seku, Vika, and Dasi. Who? Tano. And Biggie. And Taro. Taro there. And Molly girl. Happy birthday, Molly. Huh? This is ole alungo parang.
Omila.
Miracle. Is Aussie eating a thing without me? Aussie, what are you eating? Give me some.
What's he eating?
He's eating this little marmoy thing. It's so yummy. Ew, what is it? Is it marmoy?
Yep.
Oh yes. Why are you hiding here? I know now. What do you eat? It's just fat. What did you just copy my mouth? I was like, and she was just like. So we just finished decorating my grandma's grave. Look how pretty it is. Mommy, looks so pretty, Mommy. No.
Mosi, kau ngomel lu dia. Malaysia dia.
Ngale wo pa uwi lalo ke ko pa fo. Eh.
Cái bên kia là pa. Bay panggil kali kamu itu pan. Mau dah.
Hey guys, so we're heading to my grandmother's unveiling. Do you know the funniest thing ever happened? Because you know we was like at going the the bar, when you do an unveiling, yeah, and we came to the hotel to get ready and everything. And do you know what happened? We got the phone call from my mom. She said they already started. Can you imagine that? That they tell us to come here all the way from Australia to do this thing, and they go and they start. Yeah, well, okay, Samoa, we
That on your channel.
And don't be jealous, Don't be jealous of yeah. Ma, I want you to comment down below po. Wala sa mga kulo red lipstick le le Samoa. Ale mawa your girl look cute. Yes, hunty. Yeah, Malaysia la mata pule fiat sana no atu. Ole meale ole sa ole Samoa ele la communication. Ngawalo fo le follow lo. Oi Frankie. Okose. Porque kia palo va aí desse fifingera aí Feku firi kau le pusa eskolimi. Dai sangkas. Aku sad ngungai kaka. Barki kiro mai ya. Kayak aku safa me. Iya ya ile orange. Aku oh iya. Feku rai desse kama luanga laku. Aku lang pepa keke idungan lau. Feku. Kamu mau lihat firi kau keke ni. Kaya la feku ngungu luar kamaro ala ya masiki kiro mai ele fa pe o fa kari sa ola ko fesiri ile si finge o kire lo ka un media Samoa tong lelo communication oi ala communication como fa manga mai ngu kun menga nga fa ile ko le ngu ma fa ile ngu le ko le ngu ka kala mai ka afi akun me ka kari mai fa le va fa ka va kulak pisisi ya ko ai te ya ile ngu dia bawanga sokala fi mga wifi ngai aso ola aso ngai lo matsua lo tamau iainga o se tina ya lo fatele ilana fa nau nanga lue malosi mole lumana I ola na fa nau ia o lewa maai ai. O lewa mato manuia, o lewa mato mawale ola, mato mawale tupe. Ia ala fatele atu ya I tato a ina na ngā ngusila i Australia. Ioi, let's get this to 10,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you to all you guys that went and take the time to write a comment on the Siaosi and Victoria page. I just want to say thank you. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Continue to share this video. Subscribe. Like, subscribe, okay? Thank you for the present. Olo present nga maya o go for tsaitselea.
O le tala ngā keu po le tala ina o le pare ula. Ua le mo le tina lea ua maliu. Ai moe ua whaatino ina le sāminga. E mo le a inga, e mo whanau, o wō mau ngā mamai al tina lea. Ai mai se o le wha moe moe o le tātou loko, ese ai le ola. O le aso le wha ilonga ina o le tausanga o wha noanoanga. Talu o na amia le tina lea e lona matai. E ui lava o le aso e tala ai le wha noanoa. Ai lema whaifoi o na ngalo le nei aso. O le aso na maliu ai le tātou tina. O le aso na tātou wha maa vai atu ai. Ia loto mau ia inga I le ola nei. Ai ele maa faufaunga wha filosofia e pātatau I le oti. Mana tu foi usi le fia e tō tele. O le oti le filosofia lea. O le ese o se ka mela uri uri e tō tuli whai tutoa o a inga malama. Lona winga. O le oti o se whanoanoanga tele lea. E o I a inga E sawa I so se taimi tātou tele I loa. Po le tātou fafo. Po le tātou fale o tātou a inga. E ia le oti. Tātou tele mai loa le taimi. E o mai ai banga nāle. Le sili ese o le atua. Na o ia na te sila fia ina lea. Ma o lo tātou I unga lava lea e tasi. Tātou te toi fo I unga lava I le ele. A lea e tau tala ai le tustala le tusi lea na upaitau ina. O upu tu sao lava le atua ia a tamu. Ina wanga sala I le leo sista. E te aifo ia mea ai ma le aku o mata. Se ia e toi fo I atu I le ele. A wā o le ele oi. E te toi fo I atu lava I le fuepa. A o la Solomona le fai laula. E mai aia. E le aise mea e. E sili ai tangata I lo le manitu lo. A wā e oti umalava. E o umalava I le mea tasi. E mai le fuefu. E toi fo I atu lava I le fuefu. A o le tu tātou te fia ma oli ai. O le tu le ese masili ai tangata nai lo le mea ola. Le lava na feta lai ai le tātou ali o Yesu. O a unei o le toi tu ma le ola. O le fatua tua mai a te au e ui na otu. A e ola lava ia e whavavau. Lona winga. O tātou umalava e o ai le tina lea ia loto mau i ai. O loa I ai lo tātou wavanoa I le ola e whavavau. Pe a tātou talitonu ma whātua tua I a te ia. Malana whaolatanga. Le pai ai o a inga. E mai se le whanau a loto mau I a inga. O whanau ana I a lātou whanau. Mā lole o le wha. Pāwhitai le lama pupale I mawhitianga o le loto whanoa noa. E le whaingo fie mawhitanga e tala e le otu. A tātou manatu I le whitalainga lea lo tātou ali. Tātou fia la ia. Wow, lo yairo tato wa noa I lea la baso. E le ava noa e le to I wha noa noa. E le to yai se lo I mata maling. A wana o le ori o le li e wha vau. E uilawa ina ti ngā matui tui le oti. A o tu atu o le oti lea. O lo yai le ori ma le fia moni o lo tato anu. E pei ona petalai ai ke riso. Whamanuia le atua I le whamanatuina. Ma le te talaina o le whanoa noa o le tātou tinane. Ok. Ia te talaina le maa ma tō laulawina ia. Paupunga o lo iai tonu. Ia ona talo lea tātou whai. Ulea te talo whapa ia I ngai I nei maa. Nā te o ti ina le li pine. Ia ona o tala ina leo nei maa.
Ja, whamania mai le tua I le nei aso. Mai se ona whamoemoenga uma.
Well, I'm going over here to put this because my dad wants me to, but I'm a bit late.
Manuia tele tātou mātanga whapatei tele lava mole. Pāroalo māwalunga nei aso. Ia, ona mātou tana lea tauna tawai.
Hi Nai. How are you?
This is your boy George. Rapisi ha George fa yote ang karu fa shokuru. Hi, me fa we went to shower, it was way too hot. Look guys, just like Molly said, you can't just call a time and then not call the time. You know what I'm saying?
Ai đi ấy số giờ.
Yeah.
Đi ấy số giờ.
I see.
Thì là vào phía ngăn một cả đó.
Ơi. Điều cái con mình mà đi mà bật lang á.
Mày ơi ơi vậy chứ mà má đi
So we're kind of really bummed. Oh my god, I look like old lady. So we're kind of really bummed because we missed my grandma's day because someone pulled it forward and we missed out. Look how pretty it looks. Nej, moj. Seeing as we missed it, Molly's gonna replay. So Molly's gonna act as the Fifio. So beautiful.
Hi guys. This is the cheesecake. This is the nice something.
Drink.
This is Eben.
Yeah.
Wow.
Drink this.
Happy birthday, Molly.
Hi guys, welcome back to SV Gang up in this squad. I'm drinking another Coco Shack. Molly got a peanut butter with dark chocolate cheesecake with strawberry ice cream. Reviews, Molly, reviews. Ew, look at the way your lips perked out.
It tastes like real strawberry.
I just don't like that the cheesecake, the cheesiness of that cake is thicker than the base. Happy birthday, girl.
I just want to say it's like so sweet like
Molly,
me.
seriously, can you get over that accent?
It's like so sweet like me.
Molly, the strawberry and the peanut butter does not go.
Ricky, you don't have good taste buds. So we are here currently at the, what's this called? The seafood shack?
The Cool Shack.
The Cool Shack. And my, this is something you have to try when you come to Samoa. I don't know the address, so I can't tell you where you guys can come, but dang. It is where? I want you to go, or next time you come to Samoa, you want to tell them that Siaosi and Victoria's vlogs sent you here. Okay? Let's build this thing up, girl. This is something that you need to try. It's called Samoa Shack. Is it?
Stay